All right. In a survey of 3,277 adults aged 57 to 85 years, now these are older people, it was found that 82.7 of them used at least one prescription medication. Complete parts A through C below. How many of the 3,277 subjects used at least one prescription medication? Well, put in your total number in your survey and multiply it by the percent. I just always change the percent to a decimal for my multiplication purposes. So I changed that to 0.827 because you just divide by 100. Okay, and the number that we got to the nearest integer, because keep in mind we're talking about people, we don't want fractions of people. So 2,710. Okay, now it asks us to construct a 90% confidence interval of the percentage of adults aged 57 through 85 who used at least one prescription medication. So we will go over here to StatCrunch and we'll hit Stats. We want to deal with proportions and we only have one sample, and of that one sample we're using summary data. All right, the number of successes, that was the number we found, 2,710. The number of observations, 3,277. It's a confidence interval, but it's set at defaults to 0.95. We want a 90%, so we want to change it from 0.95 to 0.90 or just 0.9, and then we can compute. All right, we are going to need a little bit more of this than we can see right now, so let me expand it a little bit. We need the lower limit and the upper limit, but notice that it says percent. So I've got to convert my decimal answers to percentages. So that means I multiply by 100, move your decimal 2 places. So the lower limit would be 81.6%. And the upper limit would be 83.8. What do the results tell us about the proportion of college students who use at least one prescription medication? Okay, well, a confidence interval lets you know it within a certain percentage of confidence. So let's look at details about those that have 90% confidence and see what they say. First of all, the results tell us that 90% confidence, the true proportion of college students who used at least one. The other one says the result tells us that 90% confidence, the probability that a college student. Okay, these are talking about college students. What was our setup up here? These were adults 57 through 85 years of age. There may be a few college students in that age range, but the average college student is not between 57 and 85. So these results basically tell us nothing about the college population, do they? If you forget what you started out with, most of the time you would choose the wrong answer.